Are you waking up with headaches, sore jaw, or unexplained tooth pain? You might be grinding your teeth at night, a common but damaging habit called bruxism. Bruxism is the unconscious grinding or clenching of your teeth, often during sleep. It's frequently triggered by stress, anxiety, or even sleep disorders. Symptoms: your body's warning signs. Look for these clues: headaches and even migraines, especially in the morning. Jaw pain, TMJ. Soreness, clicking, or stiffness in your jaw joint. Worn or chipped teeth. Your teeth might look flat, short, or have visible cracks. Tooth sensitivity. Pain when eating hot or cold foods, as enamel wears thin. Indented tongue or cheek tissue. Marks from pressing against your teeth. The problem: devastating damage. Grinding puts hundreds of pounds of pressure on your teeth, leading to cracked teeth, broken fillings and crowns, receding gums, severe TMJ disorders. This damage is cumulative and often irreversible if left untreated. The solution: a custom Nightguard. The best defense against bruxism is a custom-fitted Nightguard from your dentist. Unlike flimsy store-bought guards, a custom Nightguard offers perfect fit, comfortable, and stays securely in place. Shock absorption protects your teeth from grinding forces. Joint stabilization relieves jaw muscle tension and reduces headaches. Durable, made to withstand heavy nightly pressure. Protect your smile. Protect your health. Don't let bruxism silently destroy your teeth and cause chronic pain. If you suspect you're grinding your teeth, contact us for a consultation. We can quickly diagnose the problem and provide a custom Nightguard to safeguard your smile. End the grind. Start protecting your smile tonight. Visit happylightdental.com to book your appointment today. Subscribe this channel for more informations. Thumbs up if this information is helpful. Happy Light Dental, your trusted family dentist.